Sumakses. Hi, good morning. Charles here and happy Friday. So thank God it's Friday and I hope you had a good start of the day. So alright, let's dive in dun sa Sumakses. Diba? It's almost end of the week. Last day for work week. So may time ka na magpahinga. So I'm sure marami tayong mga success ngayong linggo na to at sumakses sa linggo na to. Siguro yung iba today is 14, so siguro meron silang early sahod kasi Sabado naman bukas. So ayun, success, may sahod na. Pwede ding basta maraming success, diba? Pwedeng nakabayad ka na ng utang, yes. Or nakabenta ka kung sa sales ka man, yes, success. Or simply nailabas mo na rin bigat na nararamdaman mo dahil ilang araw ka nang hindi nakakapupo. So ayan, success. So kung ano man yan, celebrate it, diba? You deserve it. Kung gusto mong kumain ng masarap to satisfy yourself, go ahead. If you have the means to share it, then go ahead, right? So ayun, kung ano man yung mga success mo for this week, I hope you're happy, you're satisfied, and of course magpasalamat kasi lahat ng to biyaya mula sa taas. And syempre yung pinaka-importanting success nanonood ka nitong video na to. Ibig sabihin you're alive, diba? Success na success tayo dyan. So ayun lang, good luck for today. God bless, ingat, anyong. Mwah.